in the old days, when we did the full facelift, you couldn't get away from telltale scars.
But now that's all changing, thanks in part to the work Dr. Edward Domanskis is doing in the Southern California coastal community of Newport Beach.
Okay, and that's what I would recommend, probably something like this.
Dr. Domanskis has developed and continues to refine his Minicision lift. It's a radical change from past procedures which could be difficult and lengthy both in surgery and recovery. Now Dr. Domanskis achieves a rejuvenation of the face, forehead, and neck by resuspending and elevating the tissues that have fallen because of aging.
Through those incisions, I'm able to reshape and recontour the face instead of making all the scars that we used to do.
The younger I look, the happier I am.
49-year-old Linda Jolas says she's unhappy with her looks and wants a fountain of youth. Once in the operating room, the doctor will make tiny invisible incisions. Then, using this small scope with a camera on the end of it, he'll lift the deep tissues of her nose to mouth lines, laugh lines, forehead, and neck. The skin is actually lifted only indirectly, and it's lifted upward instead of being pulled front to back for a much more natural look. With the Minicision lift, it's possible to customize the position or shape of the eyebrows, the shape or slant of the eyes, the fullness or hollowness of the cheeks, and alter the neckline.
The best candidate would be someone who probably is in their 30s or 40s, who doesn't have a lot of excess skin, and who wants to reshape and rejuvenate their face and sort of have an ageless, seamless transition into middle life, so to speak.
With a much shorter recovery and more natural result, the patient is able to be presentable in just 2 weeks. This is Linda after 2 months. She says there's no comparison with the before and the after.
I was more self-conscious of, you know, some of the aging factors in my face and forehead, neck, and now I don't have to worry about that. It's gone. You know, a burden has been lifted.